Cash App confusion. Can you actually pay from your bank account? Ever scrolled through social media and seen someone raving about Cash App? You know the drill, the peer-to-peer payment app that lets you send and receive money with friends in a flash. But what if you need to pay a bill or send rent and your friend doesn't have Cash App? Can you just, magically pull money straight from your bank account through the app? This is where things get a little tricky. Cash App is fantastic for splitting dinner bills or sending your roommate their share of the utilities, but it's not quite a direct bank account transfer service. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Cash App and how it interacts with your bank account so you can make informed decisions about your money. Here's the TLDR. No, Cash App doesn't directly connect to your bank account for outgoing payments. You can only send money that's already in your Cash App balance. But wait, there's more. Now, hold on a second before you click away. While Cash App itself might not be your one-stop shop for direct bank transfers, there are still ways to get money from your bank account into Cash App and then use it for payments. We'll explore those options in a sec, but first, let's understand why Cash App works the way it does. Thinking like a Cash App ninja. Imagine Cash App as your digital wallet. You can add cash to it by transferring money from your linked bank account, receiving payments from others, or even depositing physical cash at participating retailers. Talk about modern piggy banks. Once the money is in your Cash App wallet, you can use it for various things. Sending money to friends and family. Paying for online purchases at stores that accept Cash App. Investing in stocks, with a recent Cash App feature. Withdrawing the money back to your bank account, but we'll get to that later. The Cash App Transfer Tango. So, how does money actually move between your bank account and Cash App? Here's the breakdown. Adding cash. You can initiate a transfer from your linked bank account to add funds to your Cash App balance. This is like putting money into your digital wallet. Spending cash. Once the transfer from your bank is complete, the money shows up in your Cash App balance. Now you can use it for any authorized transactions within the app. The key takeaway, you can't directly pay from your bank account when using Cash App. The money needs to be preloaded into your Cash App wallet before you can spend it. But what about my bills and rent? Don't worry, there are ways to get around this. Here are a couple of options to consider. Transfer money to Cash App first. This is the most straightforward approach. Plan ahead and transfer the necessary funds from your bank account to Cash App before you need to make a payment. Once the money is in your Cash App wallet, you can use it to pay your bills or rent through the app's features, if available, or send the money to the recipient directly. Use your debit card linked to Cash App. Cash App allows you to link your debit card for payments. However, there's a slight catch. While it might appear like you're paying directly from your bank account, the transaction might actually process as a cash advance depending on your bank and debit card type. Cash advances often come with additional fees, so be sure to check the terms and conditions before going this route. The Cash Out Conundrum. Alright, so we've covered how to get money into Cash App. But what about getting it out? Thankfully, Cash App allows you to transfer funds back to your linked bank account. Here, you have two choices. Standard transfer, free, but slower. This option takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to reach your bank account. It's completely free, making it a good choice for planned withdrawals. Instant transfer, faster, but with a fee. If you need the money in your bank account immediately, you can opt for an instant transfer. However, there's a fee associated with this option, so it's best reserved for urgent situations. Cash App, friend or foe? Cash App is a fantastic tool for quick and easy peer-to-peer payments. It's convenient, secure, and often the preferred method for splitting bills among friends. However, it's important to understand its limitations. Cash App doesn't directly connect to your bank account for outgoing payments. Remember, plan ahead and transfer funds to Cash App before you need to make a payment.